Today is a sad day. With our move to Miami, we have officially forfeited our right to a license plate from another state. So now we have to remove our New York license plate from our FJ62, and hopefully the DMV's open soon again so we can get some brand new Florida plates.
So here we go, removing them, posting them, crying a little. Bye-bye. We get like charged like a certain amount of dollars a day for every day that we have these, by the way.
Well,
so let's look forward to that bill. Don't know how to officially hurt your hands. Get lazy and don't go and get a shift.
okay, we are currently at the Tag Auto Agency. Is that what it's called?
No idea. We're at the place where you get number plates.
You can like register your car, or I think you can get your driver's license situated there. I don't know. We're going to get our new custom license plates from this place, so we're kind of excited about it because we've been waiting like a month or two for them.
Yeah, we're hoping this is the end of the saga. We had to lose our fancy New York Nomad Effect number plates.
We really like those.
We're now Floridians apparently, so we're gonna get our fancy new Nomad Effect number plates that are Floridian. So look like a criminal. I'm officially Floridian. We have our Florida state-of-the-art Nomad Effect number plates. So it's here with me looking like a criminal. The writing's actually purple. I don't know whether you guys can see that. I have no idea how it's going to go with our dark green paint job that we just decided for the car, but it's very colorful. We're like, and I like color. Color's happy. You can tell, you can't even tell that I'm happy because I have sunglasses and a freaking mask on, but I'm happy.